Peanutz house. It is some hours in the morning and I have to get ready because I have to go out. It's a surprise, but right now I got that for outfit in this new letter baby the big I got that for outfit so I can wear, so I hit you guys up when I done bed and ready and stuff like that because I love work busy because I don't feel no makeup. But so we have a productive.
Let's start vlog, right?
Yes, it's all this morning.
I didn't even know that.
So we have kind of a productive morning. Wait, we have a productive morning going first. Paint, we're not saying what it is.
We have a lot.
But
Let's go.
it's kind of like a journey because I think I want to do it more than once.
Yeah.
So, right. So I have on an army green shirt that got paint stains on it. And I came back with my shoes. I came back with my shoes because my shoes got paint stains on it too. So, and I have on tights, some flip flops. You wanna, but we ain't gonna show and get to the shade. So we here on the highway. Everybody on the left. Woo! So here's the highway. You here?
Okay, they don't feel like Sunday.
Oh yeah, today's Sunday.
They know today's Sunday, so they don't feel like Sunday. We are here, guys.
So we can hit you up when we get our drop from our headers.
Let's go see the one, but when she wear the green color, she's in the car.
But
The green so she don't want to copy me.
I had this outfit with my hair
She don't want to
first.
copy me, so she know when she see me wear the green Georgia on the green, she know that.
It's only right though.
It's you know what I mean, she know.
He won't blame me, don't mind he bye. So Nutcrackers, we here with Blackknightridingscho. Yes, Blackknightridingscho, and we're finishing a couple lessons today. Just the craziness. Hope to God that, you know. So she's gonna give me a couple of tips so that I don't, hurt myself because you know me. Alright, so basically there are different levels to the school, right? You have the busy bees, which we just started. This is for the small kids. Then we have over here, which is what you're gonna be on today, Jay. That's the 1-2 fight. It ain't as harsh as it looks. What we do is we get students, you would do a couple lessons on the 1-5 first, and then when you get to a certain level of competency, then you go up to using the 600, right? So yeah, because the weight of the bike can be quite intimidating for students when they first start. So it's easier that is an easier bike to pick up students. Never mind, I got my license on the 600 one time, but it is actually easier to build it up. So just to give you a little explanation what out here looks like. These are cones that will go in a straight line. So for you as a beginner, you would only do like 4 cones. We will put one more extra there because you gotta now build up your skill, which you're doing a week in, right? Cones down the middle is what it would actually be like when you go to do your test, right? They're high cones and they're very short. And the whole aim is that you're supposed to be able to go through them without putting your foot down. It looks very, very easy to look at, but the skill set that it takes a lot of practice, yeah, and understanding the throttle and the clutch at the same time, right? This other setup here is actually a simulation of what you would do at a roundabout. And so that would be when you stop, then you go around the roundabout and then you exit, right? And then we also over here, we send students over here because this teaches you about cornering, right? So yes, it's in a car park setting, but the skill sets are all applicable to when you get out on the road. And then obviously on the road now, you know got to get over all the anxiety of the cars coming at you, and the whole pace of it is a lot. So usually we get you competent at least in about 5 to 6 lessons on the smaller bike, and then you would do the remaining lessons on the bigger bike if you want to get your heavy cycle. If you decide that you just want to go in for your light cycle license, then we can leave you right here on this. Got really big dogs, so you can be right up there. So yeah, and the person behind the camera gonna get a little tryout today too.
I already pray don't fall.
falling is all part of it. I've
it's so
fallen
true.
down before. I've fallen down twice in the year and a half that I've had my license. Nothing major. Actually, most people fall when they're going slow, not when they're necessarily going fast. Yeah.
So all of
This
my
is
nutcrackers.
Reese. This is
right?
the owner of Black Knight Riding School. This is the veteran OG bike rider, years and years and years. So I learned everything I know from him.
So I do the little one coming up.
Yeah. So this is her first lesson, Jonna's first lesson. I told Kayla I would give him a little 5 minutes something on it too. And then we'll move from there. Do you have any questions, Jay?
Oh, so you ain't gonna be on it with me, right?
On it with you?
Okay, so when I look right, you ain't gonna be
No,
like this.
she can be like very
Next to you. Right,
Make sure
yeah.
you're doing everything properly.
Right.
You're making the mistakes because your safety is always our number one priority. So we want to make sure you comfortable, you safe, and that you don't do nothing to harm yourself or hurt yourself. Also, do not hurt quick.
That's right.
Right. So that's where when we start the course, we make sure you start off on the bottom and come up. Class control. Right. Everybody starts at 0. Most people start at 0. Some people come with experience, right? But more than likely, like this guy here, he first thing he ever ride any kind of bike. So when he started from 0, I started from scratch and bring it right up. So you start with clutch control, then you work on balance along with clutch control, then throttle control, then gear shifting, then obstacles, then more clutch control because you want to be able to master that. Because after the whole course is finished, we do a road evaluation, which we take everything you learn from the car park
And put you out on the road. Yeah. You
So-
do the whole thing.
Because we want to make sure that when you leave the school, that you capable of handling yourself on the road.
Right.
Because it only makes sense just riding in the car park all period. And then when you go up on the road, you carry so what you do? You know what I mean? So we prepare you for that, the whole thing. We get you the full thing from license, getting license, getting you experience on the road. Even if you want to get to competition level, we also train you to do drags or circuit racing. Which one of my
Yes.
You might have a new profession.
Yes. So professor.
Boyfriend, you better put some money aside. Yeah. She can start asking for that ninja bike.
True, yeah.
Cool. I think that's a lot said. Instruction time. Today, depending on how you go, most of the time as Vivian was explaining, we're gonna just do clutch control. Clutch control means that for the most part in the first lesson you may not even end up using gas, right? The clutch, even though the gas is what makes the bike move, clutch is what controls the bike. And I'll explain that in more detail in a minute. So the first thing we want to do is introduce you to the bike, so you know where everything is and what you're supposed to do, to do with what.
No, my name is Jonna.
I can't remember if she has a name yet. So anyhow, alright.
Colin, you can move the brakes. You can, slow down. You don't have to go fast at all. You're not gonna need the clutch right now because the bike is going downhill. The car park is actually very slow. The car park is on a slope, sorry. When we turn the corner is when you're gonna need to use your clutch a bit. So just feel, all you want to do is just feel the bike right now. That's it. Just feel the weight of it. Yeah, customer to it. And then you gotta look where you're going. Don't look down. Just look where you're going and just feel the bike. When you turn the corner is when you know how to pull the clutch. Open the clutch, sorry. Right. Slow it down. Right. Not right down. Right. Use your start turning the bike like you want to go up. Are you pushing the bike? You're kind of pushing it, right? Alright.
Don't hit me now. Don't run me over. You got a couple more laps, babe. Don't panic. Yes. Keep going. Just know if you fall, you know what I mean, we capture this on camera. It's getting viral. Peanut going viral. Be out there looking like they're struggling like warm, but I know she getting through, man. She got it covered. You know.
The bike feels on your back if you from it. Just sensitive there. Stand right down. There we go. She finished their first lesson.
You.
Woo! Gang, gang.
Complete first lesson.
Now you can say that you actually had a bike lesson. Okay.
So how was it?
It was awesome. Like, you know when your mom first teaching you how to like ride a bike and you got 20 wheels and then she like she will let you know that she gone and she just leave you.
Yeah.
What's that? It was good though. It was good. Get this properly.
Yeah. She was good. She was in good hands.
Right. So. Woo.
So you can see yourself like going like top
Yeah, I got
speed,
no
like
clear
the
picture.
highway.
I got level up. We can't start level 0 forever. We got level all the way up. Like, we got really big dogs now. Big puppies.
So you see what boy here doing donuts and all that sort of things.
So you got to carry, you know? That's it. If you need to put them down and you're turning the corner, that's cool too. It's a little bit.
Yeah. Remember that you don't have to pull the clutch right out. Right. Okay.
So we just finished. Like, oh my gosh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Blackknights,
Right in school.
it was late. The school was late. We will be coming back for sure.
Glad to hear that. I'll be glad to hear that.
So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will leave them link in the description down below and hit them up. Bye.
Bye.
Peace.